In Figma, an artboard is called a frame. It's a flexible space to arrange design elements. How to create a new artboard. Method 1. Using the frame tool. Open your Figma file or start a new one. Select the frame tool by pressing F on your keyboard or clicking the frame icon in the toolbar. It looks like a hashtag or pound symbol, hashtag. You'll see options in the right-hand panel for common device sizes like iPhone 13, iPad, desktop, etc. Click one of those presets or click and drag on the canvas to draw a custom-sized frame. Duplicating existing artboards. If you're designing multiple screens with similar layouts, it's smart to duplicate your frame. Select the frame and press Command-Control-D, or use Alt-Drag to duplicate while positioning it. This maintains consistency and speeds up your workflow.